Hello friends, today we are going to make paneer or cheese from this milk. So I will tell you the procedure of making cheese, which is also called paneer. So first of all, you have to pour milk as much as quantity of paneer you needed. So I am taking this according to my container. See this, and now you have to put it on medium to high flame until it starts boiling. It's a very easy method to make paneer and very easy and cheap, as you can compare with the market. The paneer you will get or cheese you will get is always in like a frozen form, which may use so many preservatives and expensive too. So guys, we have to take it on flame when it start boiling. Friends, for this much of milk you need 2 bowls or 1.5 bowl or 2 big serving spoon of this Heinz vinegar. I am using Heinz vinegar. You can use any white vinegar which is distilled white. So guys, as you can see, the milk will start boiling and it will raise up in a few minutes, and at that point, when this cream will raise up, we'll add this white vinegar. It's near about 1 bowl. So we have to wait until it comes to boiling level. See friends, the point will come in a few minutes. See, it is rising up, and now we'll add this and mix it well. And you can see, at the very time we add this vinegar, the milk will turn into cheese and water or whey will come out. You can also use that water or whey, the remaining, to knead dough for your breads or chapatis. And we'll strain all the paneer or cheese material with this strainer. Now it's about to come. And now I'm going to add my vinegar. You can also use lemon into it, but sometimes it will not work. So I'm going to add this, my vinegar, and I mix it well with my serving spoon. And see, it's very easy, and it hardly takes 15 or 10 minutes. See, this is pure paneer cheese full of protein. You can use for stuffing in your breads, in your sandwiches, and you will drain this water and use it also. So I'm going to strain this paneer through this strainer and wash it with the tap water so that the smell of vinegar will go out, and just wait for 2-3 minutes. So guys, this is my cheese, and I'm going to wash it under the water just to wash the vinegar and make it just to dry for 10 minutes. And here your cheese is ready. This is not that same cheese which you are using on the pizza, stretchy cheese, but this is very healthy. You can eat this as a very keto friendly, and you can eat as a stuffing in sandwiches, or you can use this on a salads or everything. This is too good, yummy, and hope you like my video. So guys, if you want me to share more videos like this on health and health is wealth, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.